Is it so hard?
How to create a natural to bold eye makeup look with the Dior Backstage Eye Palette Warm Neutral. For a natural eye look, first apply the primer all over the eye. Then use the matte charcoal shade all over the eyelid. Intensify the outer corner of the eye. Then use the matte ochre shade and apply it right under the eyebrow. For a medium eye look, intensify again the outer corner of the eye with the matte charcoal shade. Then use the primer to fix the makeup. Apply one of the shimmer shades all over the eyelid. Blend well. For a bold eye makeup look, apply the gold highlighter in the center of the eyelid and highlight the inner corner of the eye. Finish the look with the shimmer copper shade. Apply it on the inner corner of the eye and under the eye. If needed, correct with concealer. There are many ways to use this palette. Be creative and have fun with all these neutral shades. Here you have your natural to bold eye look.